Here's a 2007 Honda CR-V. Check out this CR-V's fuel efficiency numbers, safety measures, and cargo capacity, and you'll be glad to drive it for the long haul. And with features like these, every drive is a pleasure. Inline 4-cylinder engine, manual tilting steering column, AM/FM XM satellite radio, manual telescoping steering column, 3 12-volt power outlets, auxiliary audio input, express open and closed sliding and tilting sunroof, multifunction steering wheel, and front heated leather bucket seats. Consumer Guide explained that lots of standard safety and convenience features and Honda's reputation for reliability and resale value further bolster its appeal and cement its reputation as a good buy in this class. It's a Honda, so longevity comes standard. Hurry in today and see it for yourself.